Hello friends, welcome to Legend Lesson. Today we look at how we find the determinant of a 3 by 3 matrix or determinant of the third order. Now, to find the determinant of the third order or the determinant of a 3 by 3 matrix, what you do is that we write down each element along the top row and then multiply it by its minor. As we do that, we also alternate the terms with the plus and minus sign. The minor is simply the determinant of some smaller square matrix, okay, that is often obtained or found by omitting some row and then some columns. Alright, so how then do we find the minor? As earlier said, we write down each element along the top row and then multiply it by its minor. Then we also alternate the plus and minus sign. Now before you look at the minus, let's look at the place signs of a 3 by 3 matrix. Okay, so when you have, what you should always remember is that the top left hand element always has a plus place sign, and so this place is plus and then the rest follow from it. So you have minus, plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus, plus. So that's simply the place signs of a 3 by 3 matrix. Alright, now back to the minus. Taking this 3 by 3 matrix that we have here, is A1, B1, C1, A2, B2, A3, B3, C3. Now, finding the minor of A1, what we do is that we omit the row and column containing the element A1, and so with that, A1, B1, C1, A2, B2, C2, A3, B3, C3. We omit the row in which the element A1 is containing, and so this one goes away, and then the column in which A1 also containing, that one also goes away. And then what we have is this square matrix over here, and so the minor of A1 now becomes B2, C2, B3, C3. Similarly, taking the minor of B2, we find the minor of B2, B1. We omit the row in which B1 is contained, and so this one goes away, and then the column in which B1 is also containing, that one also goes away. We have this A2, C2, A3, C3 becoming our minus of B1. We can also do that for C1. Minor of C1 now becomes A1, B1, C1, A2, B2, C2, A3, B3. And so what we do is to omit the column in which it is contained and then the row. So we have our minor now becoming A2, B2, A3, B3. As simple as that. All you should notice is that we can expand along any row or any column in the same way. That is, you can pick A2, B2, C2, and then also A3, B3, C3. But then, we should assign to each product the appropriate place signs. The signs are very, very important. So long as we assign to each product the appropriate place sign, then we have no problem with our results. Alright, so now let's look at how we find the determinant itself using this example over here. So now this is a 3 by 3 matrix, and as we've already seen, to find the matrix, we write each element along the top row, so 2, then we multiply it by its minor. So the minor of 2, simply by omitting the row and then column it is concerned with. So omitting that and that, we have this becoming the minor of 2. So 6, 9, 1. But of course, its place sign here is positive, and so here becomes positive. Then the place sign of this, as we've already seen, is minus. So we have minus 7 multiplied by its minor, simply omitting the row and then column it belongs. So we have 4, 8, 3, 1. 4, so 4, 3, 8, 1. And then here its place sign is also plus, so we have plus 5 multiplying the minor, omitting that and that, we have 4, 6, 4, 6, 8, 9. And of course, we already know how to expand the determinant of the second order, or a determinant of a 2 by 2 matrix, and so that becomes 2 multiplying 6 multiplying 1, that is 1. 6 minus 9 by 3, 27, minus 7, then 4 by 1, 4, 8 by 3, 24, plus 5, 4 by 9, 36, minus 8 by 6, 48. So what we get is that we have 2 multiplying minus 21 minus 7, 4 minus 24 minus 20, plus 5 minus 12. So we get minus 42 plus 140 minus 60. Our answer now becomes 38. So this becomes the determinant of this 3 by 3 matrix over there. Alright, so as I said, we can choose to expand along any row or column in the same way, so long as we have our signs placed correctly. And so now I'm going to pick the first column and see if we get the same answer. And so the first column, this column, so 2 multiplying its minor, which is 6, 3, 9, 1. Then the 4 here, as I said, here is going to be plus, minus, plus. So here minus, plus, minus, plus. So here becomes minus 4 multiplying its minor, which is 7, 5, 9, 1. And then plus 8 multiplying its minor. We have 7, 5, 6, 3. And what you get is that 2 multiplying 6 minus 27, 4 by 7 minus 45, plus 8 multiplying 21 minus 30. So answer turns out to 2 minus 21 minus 4 by minus 38, plus 8 by minus 9. Get minus 42 plus 152 minus 72, which also becomes 38. So we can see that our answer is the same as what we had over there. So it doesn't matter which set of row or column you choose. The only thing is that you must assign to each product the appropriate signs, that's the plus and minus signs. Alright, so that's basically how we find the the determinant of a 3 by 3 matrix. Thank you very much for watching. Subscribe to stay connected. Thank you.